Welcome to another Loyal and Save training. In this session, we will be covering Trigger Points Campaign. To access the Campaign module, click on Loyalty, Campaigns. Click on the Add New button. From the Trigger Type dropdown, select Trigger Points. Under the Reward Type dropdown, select Trigger Points per dollar value coupon. This type of reward is a campaign strategy that allows customers to earn trigger points based on their spending. When they accumulate enough points to meet a specific threshold, they will receive a coupon as a reward. The accumulation of trigger points is directly linked to the total dollar amount the customer spends. In this example, spend $10 of Kellogg's cereal to earn a free cereal bowl. For every dollar you spend, you will earn 1 point. You will need 10 points to reach the goal of 10 for the triggered amount. To set this trigger, you enter in the details. Trigger points. This field indicates how many points you will earn towards the trigger value. This is used for internal tracking of the progress to the trigger value. Dollar amount. This indicates how many dollars are needed to spend to earn the trigger points. So in our example, how many points per dollar we will enter in 1. In the trigger value section, this field indicates how many points are needed in order to earn the campaign reward. This concludes our Loyal and Save training on how to create campaigns.